Previously on Team K-Works, Round 1 has started with a dramatic turn of events. Nelson got the pole position during the qualifying, but crashed towards the first few laps of the race. Fortunately, with talent, dedication, and outstanding performance of the Honda Click, he was able to come back and reclaim P1 and convert the pole position into a race win. While on the other hand, Kia Gardin once again surprised everyone as he uses a new bike in the world of 185 SL, which is being dominated by Yamaha Aerox. He even said it's still not enough to beat his legendary Aerox in this category, but he was still able to clock the fastest, resulting in a back-to-back pole position. He started the race very strong and breaks away from everyone during lap 1 and disappeared into the abyss, taking home the dominant race win. Now, with Round 1 in the books, Team K-Works welcomes Troy Pacho as a new member of the pack. He's going to be racing alongside Nelson Panaligan at 160 SL category. Can Nelson handle the pressure and still secure a race win? Or will anybody else arise to the competition? Can Troy immediately adjust to a new race bike? Can Kia outperform himself and beat his own personal record? Stay tuned in as the Team K-Works competes for the Round 2 of TSR Championship 2025.
Yung okay na. Itong sa'yo, Troy, gagaan naman yung pagtiranggal ng mga iikil. Ito okay na din, no? Yung sa akin, kailangan ko magdaan. Okay na. So, ang unang labas natin, qualifying natin. Ang magiging discarte natin, una si Troy. Tapos ikaw, bigyan mo ng gap. Dapat walang karaban, ha? Dapat Troy, tapos bigyan mo ng gap. Ngayon, kailangan mo mahabol si Troy. Pag nahabol mo si Troy, sure na yun, mababa oras mo. Tsaka meron kang GPS. Pakikita mo doon, dapat mag-51 ka o 50. Pag di talaga kaya, pag parang sisemplang na, wag mo na ipilit. Kasi ngayon, baliktarin mo naman. Pag inabutan mo si Troy, ganun din. Bigyan mo din ng una ka, tapos ikaw sa likod. Bigyan mo din ng konting gap. Pero pag nakikita mo sa stress na sobrang lumalayo ka, medyo idigit mo para maki-slip yun, tsaka mas umoras. Tulungan din mo. May mag-o-oras dito sa labas para masenyasan namin kayo kung lalabas na o hindi. Seryoso tayo ngayon. Pagka ako na-bad trip sa inyo, pasensyahan tayo, ha? Kailangan focus tayo 160 SL. Hindi natin pwedeng pabayaan yan. Tsaka yung 185 SL mo, Pilyo. QTT, tsaka final race, ha? Bawal tataka-taka dito. Final briefing natin. Dito sa team namin, hindi choice ng matag.
A quiet, stressful morning indeed to start the race day. Nelson is a bit distracted, and Troy's race bike was rushed overnight without a proper data. Reputation is at risk if the riders and the bike don't perform, thus making Kia a little bit anxious. As the leader of the pack, an alpha with racing DNA running through his bloodstream, his eyes are only set for winning.
Ano po, yung TP tapos karera na. Kailangan kukuha natin yung grade 1, 1, 2. Kaya na. Discarte, tulungan. Ikaw, sobrang lakas ng motor mo. Hindi ka pwedeng tawasan na sa motor. Nakakaya naman, pagka sobrang lakas ng motor mo, pero di ka maka-oras. Tayo naman, Troy, ngayon pa lang tayo nagtoto, no? Pero alam kung kaya mong gawa ng paraan yan, ha? Pagka nasa loob na tayo ng racetrack, wala na tayo itong magagawa kung ano yung gawa ng paraan yung motor. Ikaw, ha? O, pala same tag.
Qualifying for 160 SL has finished. Kia immediately checks for the GPS data to see how did the team performed. Did they do well?
Adjust na tayo bola. Pero mamaya na.
Or are they in the verge of being cut off?
Kaya sa'yo, 51.8 na tayo kahapon. Ngayon, 52.6, isang segundo. Oo, wala naman tayong binago eh. Problema tayo niyan. Ayusin mo ha. Pag di mo talaga kaya, ako sasakay mamaya kahit back of the grid. Sasakyan ko yan. Huwag na mapaya yung motor ko.
Tumaas ng oras. Tumaas ng buhit ng 1 second si oras. Di katulad ng practice. Ayun sa sarili ko naman po. Kasi wala naman pong binabago sa motor. Ako lang po yung nag-aero.
Saan banda ka na ngayon?
Dito po sa Sigot, saka sa Palascor. Mamaya, final ko.
Kulang kami sa prepare ng motor eh. Kumbaga, ina-adjust ko ba yung sarili ko eh. Para sa motor. May power naman na po yun talaga yung motor. Ako na lang po ang mag-adjust para sa sarili ko. Kumbaga, first time ko po kasi sumakay ng click eh. Gagawin ko naman po yung best ko.
As the team prepares for the 100.5 SL qualifying, Nelson is indeed fazed by his QTT performance. The pressure is building up when you are racing for an undisputed champion for the past 4 years, and also when the team principal is on the verge of unleashing his wrath. Nelson needs to prove that he deserves the seat for the racing team and that he has the talent and ability to perform when things are not going to plan. Now, it's a battle of qualifying prowess. With this amount of traffic, you need to strategize on how you can run a fast lap without being impeded by other riders. You need to maximize the track limits and get the fastest combination of corner entry, corner speed, and ultimately, corner exit. This will give you the best lap time to edge out all competitors. As the defending champion, here Garden only wants to beat nothing else but himself. An endless goal to improve corner by corner, lap by lap, race by race, with a reward goal of providing the best combination of performance parts, tuning and engine build, resulting to more than half a decade of credibility when it comes to services and products being offered. It is truly turning passion into excellence.
Qualifying, okay naman. Pero hindi ko nakuha yung target time namin. 185 SL, medyo nabigla ako kasi inaasikaso ko yung 160 SL na dalawa eh. So nagulat ako, 185 SL na. Sa personal bike ko, hindi ko nakuha yung target time ko. So 49 low yung target time ko, kaso 49 high lang yung naka-clock in ko. Overweight pa ako 5 kilos. Subukan ko pa magbawas siguro kahit 3 kilos para save mamaya final race. Sa ECU, check ko pa yung data na. Tapos sa CVT, okay naman ako. Itong Aerox na to, last week lang namin binili. So, ito, meron pa mga QC pass. Last week lang to, binuo lang namin, pinitit na namin, hinabol namin. So, ang plano namin, first leg, yung Click 160. Tapos, Aerox, next leg, Click 160 siguro ulit. So, salitan sila, Honda, Yamaha. Para walang nagtatampo mga naka-Yamaha, walang nagtatampo mga naka-Honda. So, salitan, ako na yung naganyan. Tapos, ito nga pala, yung Aerox, napakatagal na nung huli kong pagsakay sa Aerox. So, lagi kasi sinasakyan ko, Honda, yung Giorno pa, tapos yung sumakay man ng Aerox, 185 open. So, ngayon lang ulit ako nakasakay ng 185 street legal, medyo nangangapa ka. Pero kaya ko naman mag-adjust hanggang mamaya. Pero so far, lahat okay naman. Eh, ganun lang, pakbakan lang. Yung motor ko naman, nakikita ko yung temp, yung AFR, lahat ng parameters nandito. So, na-check ko lahat. Kaya naman niya makipagsabayan hanggang dulo. Sana swertihin lang talaga. Tingnan natin mamaya. Madaming matulid ngayon. Tsaka madaming competitor. Kaya masaya itong race na to. Madaming team dyan na. Siyempre, malalakas. Hindi naman sila kakarera kung hindi sila malakas. So, ayun lang. Dito sa karera para malaman din ng mga nanonood at ng ibang tao. Yung pagsali pa lang dito sa karera, makatapos ka ng isang buong karera, panalo na yun sa aming mga mekaniko. So, yung mag-champion, bonus yun. Pero yung kapag-buo ka ng isang race bike na hindi sumasabog, wala nagiging problema sa buong karera, dun pa lang panalo. So, saludo kami sa lahat ng team at rider na kumakarera. Thank you. Sa mga Honda, sa Yamaha, madalas kasi nakikita ko parang nag-aaway sila. Okay, mag-aaway, ako rin nag-aadyan. Last leg, Honda ako ngayon, Yamaha. Bigyan niyo ako ng Rusi, gagawin ko sa'yo. Hindi ka lang naman kami para, ayun nga, makarat. Itil yung, hindi ko alam kung ano nangyayari, pero nung isang araw pa siya hindi makapag-lap time eh. Hindi ko alam kung may problema ba yung bata o... Pero yung motor, napakatuloy, napakaganda. Oo. Si Troy, nagkamali kami dahil hindi agad kami nakapag-prepare. Kasi sobrang busy ko, hindi ako nakapag-ahit eh. Yung ngayon kasi wala, nung Friday lang kami dumating dito, tapos yun, dire-diretso na. Ayun lang. Thank you. Good luck sa atin. Yung Binksy na yun, di ba? Hindi mo kailangan kung dali ang motor doon, dapat kusa. Ngayon, pag ang motor hindi pa lumalabas, kulang ka pa. Sayang yung milliseconds bawat corner, entry, exit. Yung milliseconds, kung pinansayan, masama ko yung bawat. Ito yung tatlong gopitos. Tatlong gopitos ng kilyo. Parang mayabon sa SM mo yun eh.
As the team prepares for the 160 SL final race, with Nelson taking pole position and Troy starts from P4 on the grid, the tension continues to grow as they are expected to perform when it matters most.
Nag-warm up ba kayo? Bala lambot-lambutan.
And to add fuel to the fire, the race was postponed,
Tanggal mo na helmet.
and the qualifying result for the 185 SL for Kia surprised everyone.
Tanggal lang yan.
As of the moment, ikaw ang fastest sa qualifying sa 185 SL, 49.836. And yung next na fastest is 51 something. So that's a huge gap. Ano reaction mo sa ating qualifying result? Though, ikaw man ang fastest sa pagdating sa oras, nakita natin na meron daw tayo penalty kay back of the grid. Dahil sa unsportsmanship riding, anong reaction mo for this qualifying result?
Hindi ko talaga nakuha yung target ko. So, target ko kasi 49 low. Nakuha ko ng 49 high. So, ayun, gagawin natin yung best mamaya race. Pero magsisimula tayo sa likod. Dahil ng penalty tayo ng PSA. Sanay na kami dyan. Palagi yan. Shoutout kay Casey, kay Mimi. Thank you. Back of the grid. Mamaya tingnan natin sa karera. Sana pala rin.
Anong reaction mo sa qualifying ng ating mga bagets? Nelson, pole position. And
Sa 160 SL, hindi kami masaya dun sa resulta kasi compare dun sa last leg, mas mataas yung oras ngayon ni Tilyong. Kasi yung kay Troy naman, kulang sa preparasyon talaga yung bike. So, oo. Kung anong maging resulta ngayon, basta gagawin namin yung best namin, then next leg, doon kami mag-prepare talaga ng sagad. Good luck sa ating lahat. Siyempre, nandito naman tayong lahat para makipaggera, manalo. So, good luck sa atin.
The lunch break turned out to be an icebreaker, buying the riders a couple of time to relax and fully warm up.
Yan. Okay na, the hitman. Pagalitan eh, kaya nag-stretching eh. Jay, anong masasabi mo sa magiging karera mo sa ano? Ayun.
The dynamic duo continues to support each other, reviewing the track layout, refinding what areas to improve and where to find time. They need to work together and take advantage of having each other's back. These are the crucial moments in the race. As per Kia, having a fast bike and fast riding skills worth nothing if you don't use your brain. Developing a firm racecraft and mental fortitude is a needed recipe for success.
Okay, ready. Team. Dasal lang.
As the team's creative director and marketing executive, Derek Kim leads a prayer, asking for the Almighty's guidance and protection to bless the team with His grace. Now, it's the final race for the 160 SL category. Can Nelson convert the pole into a race win? Does Troy has a chance to battle at the front? So many questions lingers to our mind, but it's only answerable in the track. Marshals are now calling out the mechanics to leave the track. And now, it's only a matter of time before the race commences.
And the lights out, away we go. A strong start from Nelson Paneligan as he secures a clean takeoff from pole, followed closely by Christian Arganda and Daryl Rosario, while Troy Pacho falls back to P5. But he's not done. Troy claims P3 as he exits turn 2, despite losing positions towards the start of the race. Oh my word, this is going to be a spectacular race indeed. And here comes turn 6. Troy Pacho getting ready to overtake Daryl Rosario for a possible 1-2 finish, and they touched! Both of them went wide, giving opportunity for Christian to take P2. Nelson from Team K-Works still leads with more than a second gap, heading towards the last turn, while Christian hunts him down from behind. Troy Pacho is getting ready to catch up to the front, eager to battle for podium finish. Expect nothing less from these professional riders from the Philippines, showing us how it's done. We can see here their team principal and CEO of Team K-Works, Mr. Keir Gardin, giving signal to Troy to catch up and take on the battle to Christian.
As the fight for podium tightens, Nelson was able to lead the pack for the next few laps. While Troy is doing his best to catch up, it feels like his effort is not enough. Christian is slowly pulling away and closing the gap to Nelson, getting closer and closer until the inevitable happens.
Here comes Christian, and they bang wheels. Christian crashed due to his miscalculated move, and Troy takes on P2. Is it going to be a 1-2 finish for Team K-Works, or can Christian get back up and catch them?
And the race continued to progress. With the current pace of Troy and lack of preparation for the bike, Christian was able to catch him towards the checkered flag. But since they are running on different rider classification for this race, Nelson and Troy were still able to perform a 1-2 finish. But the team humbly accepts the defeat for the overall P2 battle for Troy. But this is not a loss. It's just another lesson learned, a window of opportunity to improve and grow.
Medyo nagka-error pa po ako, pero kasi first time ko po sumakay ng click. Pero nandun na yung tuli ng motor eh. Kumbaga ako na lang po ang may problema eh. Konting adjustment na lang. Hindi pa kami match ng motor eh. Na yung para sa aking sakay ko, hindi pa para sa motor eh. Parang magkaiba kami ng handling ng motor eh. Pero sawa ng Diyos, ginawa ko naman ng paraan na gusto ko talaga mag 1-2 kami eh. Congrats din sa teammate ko kasi kahit pa paano naalagaan niya yung
Expert lang na si Christian, parang nakakahabol, parang nandiyan naman si Christian. Paano naging game plan mo?
Ang game plan ko eh, isa sa amin ang mag-champion talaga ng teammate ko eh. Kailangan po namin eh, isa mag-champion sa amin kasi teammate po kami. Ginawa ko na lang din po ng paraan na alam ko pong didikit sa akin, sa sarili ko. Kailangan yung best duo namin ni Tilyong matagumpay na makonsungkit namin ng 1-2-3 ng Team K-Works.
Binersa mo ako eh. Right. Gulat na rin. Alam ko makakalimutan. Nice. Okay lang ha? Tangay na second part. Natulis. Nagulat ako sa'yo. Ganun dahan-dahan. Binungga po ako. Hindi ko na nakatulong ko to. Tuloy ng baso mo. Dire-diretso ako eh. Hindi ka man lang nagulat sa akin. Kaya pagpunta ako. Pagpunta sa mo. Sa akin, hindi ka na nakatulong.
Direct Kim immediately went to Sierra Speed Tech, a team who also uses and support Team K-Works gear oil to see their race feedback.
Fresh. So, anong masabi mo sa race performance mo for today?
Medyo natuwa. Kasi last week, ulerot kami. Hindi nga namin nakalain na makakasabay sa gawin ka lang natin makasabay.
Nung moment na nararamdaman mo, ano na malapit ako kay Tigyo, ano yung nasa isip mo habang nasa loob ka ng racetrack? At ano yung napag-desisyon ako?
Sabi ko, patay kong patay eh. Sabi ko, sa kanya first time ko, may chance na ako kanina eh, wala na. Medyo grillet kaya. Okay.
Trust me.
Thank you.
Boom! Bukas tantanin talaga eh.
Ang problema, mag-gym ka. Napapagod ka sa prenuhan. Basta napapagod talaga. Kitang-kita ko.
Oo nga, nag-aalangan nga ako sa preno kaya i-slide pa.
Nakita mo, pinraso ko kagad. Start.
Contraction.
Traction!
Isang lap pa lang, pinraso ko na kagad yung kulay pulo.
Tama.
Consistent yung oras lang.
Consistent.
Buti na gano'n natin yung corpo.
Pero mamaya, told nyo, kailangan yung manalo din na.
Hindi, ako ba?
Ako, gagawin ko lang na makapunta sa harap sana.
Ako, gagawin ko talaga yung best ko. Ayan.
Paano kayo preno? Paano yung preno? Op. Tangina, preno talaga.
Tangina mo, yung bigay.
Ayun,
Paano yung pause?
Ayun.
Go.
Tangina, yun oh.
Muntik pa ako gumulong sa'yo eh. Doon oh.
Hindi mo pala kaya to eh.
Oo, sa last corner.
Nakagas na ako.
Nakasarado siya eh.
Nakasarado pa pala. Tapos biglang patay
Hindi
siya.
ko yung harap ko. Nailigo ko. Tumigas yung braso ko kahit ngalayo na.
Oh my God.
Anong gagawin natin dito pag di oras?
Oh my God.
Oras na yan.
Oras na pag nawala to. Oras ako ulit pag nawala to.
Ay, ibig sabihin na anong kasaka.
Oo, madaldal.
Kung ako may gamit ng motor mo, hindi na makakatigis sa akin yan.
Oo.
As we finally finished the race, the team has found a new fresh air to breathe. But this is not the end yet, as they need to recondition their mind for the main event of the race, the 185 SL category, where Kia needs to start from the back of the grid. The whole team is both excited and nervous. But this is when Kia proves why he's the undisputed champion, as he made the unthinkable happen before the eyes of every spectator on the track. It just have been 4 corners from the starting line, and Kia is already P8 from P17, the blood rushing through his veins, unlocking every racing DNA on his bloodstream, producing adrenaline, making his senses sharper and sharper, like a lion preparing to devour anyone who gets on his way.
And it's just been the first lap. We're heading towards the last turn. All eyes are locked on to Kia Gadin as he is piloting a rocket ship towards the backstretch. Take a look now on the first turn. Here he comes, blazing to the turn as the other riders go wide. Here it is, on the inside, overtaking 3 riders at a time. What a move! Don't you ever give Kia Gadin the space he needed, or else he'll take it without a doubt. Tom Farron leads the pack, diving into turn 6, followed by Gerald Resulte. The only 2 names left, the only 2 targets left. Can they hold on to their positions? Can Ton maintain the lead and break away, or are they going to suffer the same fate as the other 14 riders from behind? This is legendary, a phenomenal afternoon for all motorsports fans, watching a history being written live, right before their very own eyes. Kia Gadin is already at P3, no! P2, soaring through the track, eating everyone alive! And he's not finished. Who's going to be the next victim? Ton Farron hanging by a thread as a predator lurks behind him, waiting for the right moment to attack. Here comes the last corner, and he's done it! He's done it once again, from the back of the grid, against all odds, defying everyone against him, claims P1!
An astonishing performance from Team K-Works as he left the crowd and everyone shocked and inspired. As he went back to the paddock, he was greeted by everyone's warm welcome. This is racing, the glory to finish the race and rise to the top. We never stop innovating and finding ways to build and tune an engine that will endure through excruciating race conditions. Ultimately, building the benchmark to provide the best products and services that will suit all kinds of riding conditions.
Fresh after the race, man.
Back of the grid, nagsimula ako sa pang 17. Sa siguro mga pangatlong lap, pangalawang nandun ako sa harap. So, swerte lang kasi yung huling adjust namin sa motor, nakuha namin yung gusto ko. Di ako masyado napagod, di naman halata. Pero yung motor talaga napakasarap, hindi nagbabago yung takbo, napakatulin. Kumbaga, hindi ako nahirapan mapunta sa harap dahil ng kada gas ko, umuusad talaga eh. Tapos nakabantay din ako sa temp. So, okay lahat. Thank you sa buong team. Yun lang.
You in the podium.
Congrats.
Ano?
Third.
Third ka?
Congrats ka.
Congrats, Ben. Pangilan ka?
Ano ba nangyari?
Wala yung preno ko sa
Lahat ng plano natin nawala.
Nasa dimpak na ako ni yung
Apat na ata na pagsabay-sabay ko sa second corner eh.
Napakaganda.
Pare, napakasarap ng motor. Preno, handling, gasolina. Wala akong masabi. Kung may ikakabagan man siguro, sakay ko na lang. Pero yung motor, siguro yun yung pinaka... Simula 2021, siguro yun yung perfect build ng 185S.
Nagulat ako sa'yo. Kala ko tagal po. Ganda ng plano natin tatlo. Wala kang gumawa.
Nasa likod na nga ako na deal yun.
Ano ba nangyari sa'yo? Ba't mo nalap eh? Nawala ka na agad.
Lumusot yung preno ko.
Pangilan ka sa Nobis? Saktong-sakto yung ano? Saktong-sakto yung adjust natin kanina.
Oo, no?
Wala eh, yun na talaga eh. Yung RPM, temp, nandun na lahat eh.
Kasaksihan ko yun eh.
Ewan ko sa'yo, Tilyong.
Hindi mo mabok sa street eh. Bakit ka?
Champion ka ba? Ano pang gusto mo?
Ayos ba yung plano natin? Ikaw lang po eh.
Na-traffic pa nga ako dyan eh.
Oo nga. Nag-ano sila sa daan.
Oo, alam kung papasukin niya. Sige, bahala ako.
In-overlock mo, lampas din eh. Yung overlock
Pwede ba pinakay ka dito?
Yung mga overlap ay parang hinaharangan ako. Putang inang yan.
Oo, lahat umaharang. Bro, ito dinili.
May walang plug eh. Nakalabas ba yung mga plug ng Marshall?
Oo.
Shadow movie natin yan eh. Pero deserve po yun. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Napakaganda ng motor.
Hindi, maganda yung sa kanya.
Thank you, thank you.
Manager naman, quick interview lang. Ano masabi mo sa performance ni Kier?
Siyempre, hindi lang ako yung na-entertain. Lahat ng mga nanonood dun sa class na sinalihan ni Kier Gadin ay na-entertain. So, congratulations. And siyempre, dun sa mga ibang nanalo sa lahat ng team na sumali, maraming salamat. Dahil pinili na itong na racetrack. Sa lahat ng mga nanalo, congratulations. See you.
As the race concludes, with all our heart, we gratefully thank every single support from everyone. That happens when you turn passion into excellence.
Turn passion into excellence.